beauty, emotion, and inspiration in nature. We are opening a new design era in BYD because we want to distinguish our cars on the road. When we approached this challenge, it was clear that we had to create a new face and a proper design language. A strong character, and the inspiration for this strong character we had in Chinese culture. What is more characterful than the dragon? My team and me want to bring these elements into our cars. The car has to look powerful on the road and very dynamic, already standing still. You can see this in the sculpture, which makes the customer feel the emotion. Beauty stays not only in the balance of the lines, and the beauty is together with every detail, every line, every surface, which create this beautiful emotion.